Triumph Motorcycles is all set to introduce an all-new entry-level model in the Tiger range with the new Triumph Tiger 850 Sport. The British motorcycle brand has teased the new adventure tourer that will be globally revealed on the 17th of November 2020. According to the data leaked, the new Tiger 850 Sport uses the same 888cc inline 3-cylinder engine from the Triumph Tiger 900. Power figures though are yet to be revealed. The design language remains identical to the larger Tiger motorcycles, but the new offering is likely to be positioned below the Tiger 900 range with a more competitive pricing. The Triumph Tiger 850 Sport is likely to be more road focused and will compete against the BMW F900 XR and the Ducati Multistrada 950S. The model is likely to be launched in India sometime next year. Kia Motors India has revealed that about 46% of buyers for the newly launched Sonet subcompact SUV have opted for the automatic variants. The company said that the clutchless transmission version has seen a hike when it comes to customer preference, along with the 7-speed dual-clutch automatic and the 6-speed torque converter. The company said that 20% of the demand was for the IMT variants, whereas the remaining 26% was for the DCT and torque converter. The IMT and DCT variants are available only on the petrol versions, while the Kia Sonet is the only vehicle in its segment that offers a diesel automatic. The Sonet has garnered over 50,000 bookings since its launch in September this year, with over 60% of the bookings for the petrol versions. If you ever fancied being Batman, BMW recently unveiled its new wingsuit that comes pretty close to the same. The new electric wingsuit is a concept by Peter Salzman, who is a professional wingsuit pilot and a base jumper. The project turned into a collaboration between BMW I, Design Works and Peter Salzman, which brought the electric wingsuit to life. The BMW wingsuit uses a standard wingsuit as the base, but now comes with an electric assist that enables Salzman to fly. While a normal wingsuit can achieve speeds up to 100 km per hour, the new BMW version can advance to a speed of 300 km per hour. The electric wingsuit comprises two encased carbon propellers, each delivering a power output of 7.5 kW at 25,000 rpm. The total output stands at 15 kW or 20 brake horsepower, which is available for approximately 5 minutes. And on that note, here's wishing all our viewers and their families a very happy and prosperous Diwali from Car and Bike.
Everything that's hot, new, exciting and relevant for you from the automobile world is on our Car and Bike channel. Don't forget to subscribe.